Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn C++ completely from ChatGPT. Right now, I'm working on file input and output. And ChatGPT gave me some feedback on my original code. I'm going to go look at it right now. So in this case, it's actually suggesting that I close the output before reading it again. So I think that would actually be a better practice if I wanted the new input to be the output file I just logged to. So I'm gonna just do that right now. And it looks like, yeah, it's just logging everything in the file and then saying we're at the end of the file. Woohoo! So I'm gonna ask, is there anything else to learn about file input output that I really need to know? Okay, there are 3 things it's gonna mention, but apparently these are worth understanding before moving on to other advanced topics. So this is just a way, I guess, to write a file in binary. I'm not sure why I would want to do that, but okay. Another thing is string streams, which allow you to use string-based input-output operations. They are useful for parsing strings and formatting data. And does this actually just declare? It actually is able to parse all the data. That's actually really cool. I wonder if you could do the same thing for like an array, and it can automatically declare it like that. And the last thing is file positioning. So yeah, I guess you can do the CKG, which goes to the beginning, and then you can go through the first character, and then, I don't know, other ways to iterate through files, not just like going through each line, like normally. And then there's more error handling. Now, I did not really want to review this because, I don't know, this just seems like a lot more to learn, in my opinion. But like always, I'm gonna ask if I studied these or move on to something else. It wants me to actually review all this stuff. No. But then it wants me to do multi-threading again. This is really killing me. I do not want to do multi-threading nor this advanced file input output stuff. But actually might be that time to start a project. So I'm actually gonna ask it then, hey, this seems like some pretty advanced information. Do you think it would be more beneficial for my learning to start a project instead of diving deeper into C++? I feel like these are all some pretty cliche project ideas. Yeah, a lot of these are management systems, which are good like for practice like object-oriented programming and even file input output. Obviously, it's giving me some outlines for all my projects, but something I find horrible about these outlines is that it literally gives you basically all of the code already necessary. If these are the features, add a new task, view all tasks, remove a task, save task to file, load tasks from a file, that actually seems like a pretty fun project. And I think that's something I could just do from scratch. I guess maybe for now I just create a class and like for one to do along with a vector that stores a bunch of to-dos. Now for this part, I think all I have to do is say to do. Inside of here, I would have to pass in my std string name. After that, I would just call it function. But I'm not getting any red squigglies anymore, so that should be able to already create a to do. And how do I loop through my vectors again? I think I can just use normal looping syntax. Oh, I also need to create my getters and setters. So let's try. And I actually don't know if I can do ternaries. I could probably do that. Huh. So maybe you can't do ternaries? Whatever. Let's just ignore that for now. So yeah, we were able to actually create a vector and all that crap. So not bad for a start. I don't know, I just want to get something out. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hope you subscribe. Like always, bye bye.